We all have different backgrounds, different points of view, different stories we each tell. From city lights to county roads, we've all known hardship just as well. We work these fields, we build these towns, raise our kids and wish them well. And deep down in our hearts we know there's more that joins us than can tear us apart. Red or blue, left or right, neighbors still when day turns night. Maybe it's time we remember who we are. Let's put aside our differences and just be Americans. I bet we agree on 90%. That other 10 can wait until tomorrow, 'cause freedom's worth defending in the end. We may not see eye to eye on everything, but this land is more than politics and trends. So let's stand together, hand in hand, and just be Americans. The flag still waves above the schoolyard, the church bells ring on Sunday morn. We cheer the same hometown heroes and pray for those who wear the uniform. We all want safe streets and opportunity, a chance for dreams to have a start. Maybe the answers look a little different, but love of country lives within our hearts. Red or blue, left or right, hope still shines beyond the fight. Maybe it's time we remember who we are. Let's put aside our differences and just be Americans. I bet we agree on 90%. That other 10 can't wait until tomorrow, 'cause freedom's worth defending in the end. We may not see eye to eye on everything, but this land is more than politics and trends. So let's stand together, hand in hand, and just be Americans. We inherited a promise from the ones who came before, that liberty belongs to everyone, and unity makes us stronger than before. So lift your voice beside me, from sea to shining sea. The future's ours to build together, if we're brave enough to believe. Let's put aside our differences and just be Americans. I bet we agree on 90%. That other 10 can wait until tomorrow, 'cause freedom's worth defending in the end. We may not see eye to eye on everything, but this land is more than politics and trends. So let's stand together, hand in hand, and just be Americans. Yeah, let's stand together, hand in hand, and just be Americans.